Tonic. Gin tonic is based with, it's the simple and the easiest. It's based with gin and tonic. So let's get started. Take your highball, make it full, fill it with ice. You can use any preferred gin that you want. I'll be using a local gin by me, which is a Blue Ribbon. And yeah, so take 60 ml of gin. And tonic water. All you need is a garnish to complete your drink. There you go. Cheers. That's a gin tonic. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And make sure you drop me a comment below if you want to know anything special or if you want me to do anything special. And that's it for now. Cheers.